A warning this evening from the police about certain counterfeit goods being sold by organized criminal groups. At a recent virtual town hall meeting organized by the St. Catherine South Police, Superintendent Carl Berry explained that as criminal groups get more sophisticated, they are engaging in underground business operations, some with serious health consequences.
To include counterfeit medicine that we had to take out of the community before it reaches into the bodies of individuals. Because when they were tested at the lab, nothing in there was legitimate. And better yet, the majority of the ingredients were cancerous.
He noted a direct link between organized crime and other criminal activities.
We are seeing criminal groups who are not organized and stealing people cattle, stealing people animals, and stealing people's agricultural produce. We're seeing cash for gold. We've put a big dent in it, but it has not ended.
In other news, a man is in custody and an illegal gun seized after police raided a house in Berkshire, St. Elizabeth this morning. The St. Elizabeth Police and the members of the Jamaica Defence Force carried out an early morning operation in the area that bordered St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. They had information that men who escaped from the Black River Police lockup on June 19 were at a house in the community. When police arrived, a man was seen throwing an object through a window. Lawmen retrieved the object, a .38 revolver with 6 rounds. The man was taken into custody where he will be questioned by detectives.